Whole grains, a journey of health and flavor. Embrace the diversity of whole grains for a nutritious and delicious culinary adventure. Each grain offers unique health benefits and exciting flavors. Oats, a versatile supergrain. Discover the goodness of oats. Whether rolled or steel-cut, oats are a nutritious breakfast choice. Packed with fiber and essential nutrients, oats offer a perfect start to your day. Whole grain breakfast cereals, a nutritious morning. Transform your mornings with whole grain cereals. Low in sugar and high in fiber, these cereals such as shredded wheat, muesli, and wheat flakes are not only healthy, but also incredibly tasty. Whole grain bread, more than just a staple. Whole grain bread is rich in fiber and nutrients, and perfect for sandwiches, toasts, and more. Crunchy Delights, whole grain crackers. Elevate your snacks with whole grain crackers. Ideal for dunking into hummus or topping with cheese, these crackers are not only delicious, but also a smart, heart-healthy choice. Popcorn, a wholesome snack. Popcorn, a whole grain? Absolutely! Pop it yourself to control the ingredients for a healthy, fiber-rich snack. Perfect for movie nights or a guilt-free munch. Millet, a gluten-free marvel. Millet, a naturally gluten-free grain, is a good choice for those with dietary restrictions. Rich in fiber and antioxidants, it's versatile in pilafs, salads, and even as a rice substitute. Farro, the ancient grain of the Mediterranean. Farro, a staple in ancient Roman diets, is making a comeback. With a chewy texture and nutty flavor, it's excellent in soups, salads, and risotto-like dishes. Brown rice, the wholesome alternative. Brown rice, with its natural bran layer intact, offers more fiber and nutrients than white rice. It's a heart-healthy choice that works in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to pilafs. Quinoa, the protein-packed powerhouse, known for its high protein content, is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's a fantastic base for salads, a great addition to soups, and a healthy replacement for rice. Bulgur, a Middle Eastern favorite. Bulgur, a form of whole wheat that's partially cooked, is a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine. It's quick to prepare and perfect for dishes like tabbouleh, pilafs, and as a stuffing. Barley, the heart-healthy grain. Barley, rich in soluble fiber, can help lower cholesterol and control blood sugar levels. Its chewy texture makes it great in soups, stews, and salads, or as a rice alternative in risottos. Start exploring these wholesome grains in your kitchen today. Please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.